ang oras ay parating na andito na. Already at hand. So, kailangan you are called to come. Kailangan mo at tinawag ka upang dumating. Kahit sa kabila ng great confusion, sa kabila ng forsakenness, you are called to come. Pray, children, pray that you will come. Get everything ready before the days come. The hour is already at hand. So, kailangan po natin dumating, sumagot sa tawag ng ating Panginoon kahit hour of dryness, kahit tinatamad ka, kahit naatok ka, kailangan mo mag-respond sa kanyang call.